We do not have all the colors listed here. For example, you can't see white. All you need to do is to come over to the menu and select Edit, scroll down to Preferences, scroll up to Labels, and over here you can change the colors further to your liking. If you change the color that is attached to video, for example, to a different color, it's going to affect all the videos on your timeline. For example, I come over to violet here and I decide to change it to white and hit OK. The moment I import video onto my timeline, that video is automatically going to come in as white color. And the reason for that is because my default color for videos are white. When I came over to Edit and selected Preferences and I hit Labels, you will notice that I did not change the name. So it's important that you also change the name to white and hit OK. And over here, you can change the color of your audio still and decide that you want all your audios to be white, or change all your images to be white, or change the sequence to any color you like.